TikTok profile lock. What is it and how to remove locked account? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll explain and guide what TikTok profile lock is and how to remove it. Now, if you open up the TikTok app and if you head into your profile and here on profile, if you are getting a little lock icon, you can see I'm getting the lock icon on my profile along with the private account popping up. Now this means that your profile is set to private. Now to set your account to public or to switch your account to public, what you want to do is on your profile tap on the three horizontal line icon and the top right corner of the screen and then head into settings and privacy. And here what you want to do is head into privacy and then tap on, you can see the private account option. Now make sure it's toggled off the switch. Now tap on it and you'll get the option to switch to public account. You can see the confirmation popping up. If you are on private account, users will need your approval to follow you and not everyone will be able to view your videos. Only your specific followers that you follow back or that follow you will be able to view your videos. So if you switch this to public account, anyone will be able to follow you, view your public post and answer your questions from public post. Anyone can do it your videos or anyone can stitch with your videos or something like that. Now tap on switch and then make sure it's toggled off, and once you do this, if you head back to your profile, you'll see that the profile lock or the lock icon is not there anymore and the private account that popped up before has disappeared. So this way you can remove locked account. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.